how are you? I hope you are fine and doing good. So if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please go and subscribe first. So today we are gonna make tahari, which is aloo tahari. So for tahari I have taken here 2 cups of rice, which is soaked right now, as you can see. And I took, this is the size of the cup, normal size, 2 cups of rice. And now I'm taking here 2 medium size of potatoes, which is cut into these cubes shape, 2 medium size of onion, and which is sliced, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, 2 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon sticks, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of cumin, 5 green cardamom, 5 to 6 cloves, 1 anise star break into these pieces, and 2 black cardamom. So firstly we have to fry the onions. So let's start making it. Oil is enough hot. Now I'm gonna add the onions. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It's now getting brown. We have to brown it first. Now we will take out the half of the onions. Now we will add all the spices. Here, stir a little bit. Add turmeric powder, red chili powder, and ginger garlic paste. Now we will add 1 cup of water. Firstly we have to cook the masala, these all spices, a little bit. So add 1 cup of water and let it cook. So start boiling. Cook it. It will take only 5 minutes. Now it's almost done. As you can see, the oil is getting separated. It means it's done. Now we will add the potatoes. Now add water. Add 2 cups of water. We have to cover these potatoes so it will get tender. Now leave it for 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes till it get tender. Completely cover it and cook it. Now it's time to add the rice. Add 3 cups of water, and I took same size of the cup. Mix it. I'm adding here 2 medium size of tomatoes, which is normally sliced, 1 bunch of coriander leaves, and 4 to 5 green chilies. It's optional. You can take green chilies or not. If you don't like it, don't take it. So I'm gonna add these things in it. Mix it. I'm adding here salt to taste, or salt 1 teaspoon. Now mix. Mix it properly because we have added here salt, so we have to mix it completely. Now it started boiling. We will cover it. Cook it on medium flame. Now after 10 minutes We will shift it on a hot plate. We will shift the container on a hot plate and cook it on the lowest flame for 10 to 15 minutes. This is our final look of tahari. I hope you guys like this recipe. You can serve it with some brown onions and lemon and chilies, whatever you want. So, and serve immediately. You will really gonna love this recipe. It's so simple and so delicious in taste. So don't please forget to subscribe my channel. That really means a lot to me, and if you already did, so please press the bell icon so you will never miss any video from Cook with Komal. We'll meet you in another video with new recipe. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.